Hi everyone, I'm Sara. Today, I'm going to give you a small walkthrough the Prismic repository settings. Please note that only admins have access to this page. Once we go into our settings, we can see that we have a lot of tabs on the sidebar. The first tab is the repository, which provides basic information about your repository, like its name, and you can even customize it by adding a picture or a logo to your project. You can also change the name if you want to. The second tab is users. Here, you are allowed to invite new users to your repository in order for you to collaborate together on the project. Prismic offers three main user roles. You have the writer, the publisher, and the administrator, and it all depends on the team structure that you have in the company. Payment history. Here, you will be able to see your payment receipts you did over the years by using Prismic services. The fourth tab is Usage Dashboard. In this tab, users are able to follow their CDN consumption. Each plan has a different soft limit. API and security. In this tab, users are able to go to the API browser and check their API responses. Previews. We provide a small script that users can incorporate in their code in order for them to enable the preview functionality. Integration fields allows users to connect to an external catalog, but more details about this will follow in another video. Translations and locales. You are able to create as many content as you want in any language you want without having a limit. So here you are able to add new languages to copy your content to. And there you go. Import and export feature allows you to import and export your documents from your Prismic repository in and out. Collections, they work as a folder in order for you to structure your documents and have a more filtered view. Webhooks. Every time a change takes place in your API, your developers will receive an alert for them to go ahead and check what has been changed. I hope this small video was helpful, and until the next time.